What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So the crypto market does not really look that great today. Things are kind of falling down in the last 24 hours. My overall portfolio is definitely down. I'm taking it at face value because I know I've gained things as I was transferring over to Coinbase. So these numbers aren't really accurate, and some of them are actually at thousands worth of a gain. But I'm going to take it at face value and show that I'm down $2,000 all time on Coinbase. That's what it says, but I know it's not true because I only started with investing with about, I think it was 16. I know I made 16 from AMC and then put a big portion of that into cryptocurrency to where I was making other investments, but I've made a lot of money from things like Farmcoin and things like Gitcoin and all of that. And also Terra Luna Classic, which was on a different platform. However, today I wanted to talk about Cardano. I ended up making another purchase, buying more Cardano because I do see the value in Cardano and I would like to hold a little bit more. I just didn't feel like buying a hell of a lot. I did buy some, and it's not like I bought pennies, but I did buy some, and I would like to get up to a point to where I'm holding maybe 10,000 Cardano. I know some people are holding more, especially at these lower prices that we are seeing. It's absolutely phenomenal. And it's way more than what I was holding before. And especially since you're able to gain an APY, it's a big deal. So before we get into this, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, @PerryAK, you can follow me there. If you want to follow me on Instagram or any other social media platform, I think those should be down in the description. I do have a TikTok, a golf TikTok, a finance TikTok, all of that stuff that we sparingly post to. I would like to post to a little bit more, but yeah, definitely go and check those things out. One more thing, Patreon. If you want to reach out to me directly, that's the best way to reach out to me is Patreon. Also, we have a lot of different things on there, and we do live streams during the week to where it's just members, Patreon members, and YouTube members only. So definitely go ahead and check that out. But let's talk about Cardano for a little bit. So I invested into Cardano a while ago before, we saw how much people were holding it, before we saw really the value. I guess some people really did see the value. But I invested into it a while ago as it was, making a little bit of moves and showing a little bit of promise. So Cardano currently, let's look at the prices of it and where it stands. Cardano currently is at 31 cents, almost 32 cents. It's at 31.9 cents. We see here it had a high today of 33 cents. If we look at the high over the last month and low over the last month, we're pretty much standing where that is. Now, I talked about this in the past to where we were standing at 40 cents for a low. The lowest point was 40 cents, and we were closer to that low than we were to the high. If we look at over the month, over the year, we can see that this has been to $1.92 of a high, and obviously things are starting to the highs are starting to be non-existent when it comes to the year look, because as we're pushing out longer with this bear market, the all-time high gets hidden behind previous years rather than just the last 12 months. So $1.92 is a big deal, especially being at these low lows, and where we stand closer to the low than we do to the high. We know that Cardano will be a top 10 coin, maybe even a top 5 coin if we're taking out the stable coins, but I know it will be a top coin because it just has so much promise to it. The amount of hold time is the biggest selling point for this. It has more hold time than Bitcoin, than Ethereum, than a lot of these coins that are above it, than BNB, because people do believe in this. They stake it, they gain extra Cardano from it, and it's just all around a great project. So if we currently look at the market cap, we're at about an $11 billion market cap, 10.98 to be specific. Fully diluted would be 14.3, so we're not really worrying about any type of major dilution there. It's way over that 70% mark. And you don't have to worry about the price being cut in half based on just dilution. You do have a max supply of 45 billion, total supply of 35.1 billion. If we look at the volume, $193 million. We've seen so much more that has gone into Cardano. It's just the overall market is not producing a ton of volume because people are afraid to invest with CEXs, especially with what happened with FTX and Voyager and BlockFi and all of that, right? So people are afraid to invest with CEXs. I'm not afraid to invest with CEXs. That's where I originally bought Cardano, and that's, where I just bought my Cardano. I didn't buy it on any type of wallet or anything like that. So if we go over to Cardano and Coinbase, I just want to show you what I have and then also the typical hold time. If you look at the typical hold time here, you're going to see 179 days. 179 days. That is a half a year that people are holding this position. And why is that? They truly believe in it. They're gaining a solid APY with it. I was waiting for a long time for Cardano to add an APY on Coinbase or Coinbase to add a Cardano APY. And they finally did. It's not a ridiculous APY. It's not the highest APY that you can gain. However, you are getting something. You're getting 2.6 APY over on Coinbase, and that's where I hold it. I really do trust Coinbase, and I trust crypto.com, but I trust Coinbase here and gaining the 2.6% APY. If you look at the trading activity, 93% buy, 7% sell. Number six in popularity. People do believe in this heavily and continue to buy as things get lower, just like I did. Now, recently, if I go in my wallet, I bought 1,000 more. So I currently hold 7,081 coins. And I continue to get more. You see on November 16th, I gained 1.4 ADA. On November 11th, I gained 1.5 or 1.6 ADA. 1.6 ADA right here. So I'm collecting rewards sparingly. And I'm buying more Cardano. I bought more on November 8th. I bought 2,000. I just bought another 1,000 today. And I'm going to continue to buy probably until I get to, if it does go down, I'll continue to buy. If it doesn't go down more, then I probably will sit on what I have of 7,000, which I do think is a decent amount, especially only investing, 2,000 something, 2,500, let's say. It's probably less than that, but let's just say 2,500 is what I invested. So I can now capture so much more when it does get to $1, $2, $3, or even more than that, because I do believe ADA will be well worth it. Now, what I will do is anytime you see me buy into a position, I always find a way to take my initial investment. Not because I don't believe in the position, it's because I want to make sure that everything that I invested into is free money, is something that I gained out of it rather than the money that I invested. So if I can get to a point to where, let's say I have $50,000 invested into the crypto market, and I can turn that $50,000 into $200,000 and take out my original 50, well, now $150,000 is sitting in there, and I never risk that first $50,000. That is the plan in most cases for things like Cardano, things like Terra Luna Classic, which I'm way above my cost basis there, which eats away at any of the losses I may have had across the year or so, 2 years. And I want to get to the point where everything that I have, I'm playing with house money, right? So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about Cardano. Do you like Cardano? Do you hold any Cardano? How much do you hold? And what's your plan for it? Because gaining passive income and also growing and seeing what this can be over the long term is big. I don't want anything. I just heard a term on Shark Tank. I don't know if this was a new episode or if this was an old episode, but Kevin Hart, I think it was Kevin Hart that was, or no, it wasn't Kevin Hart. He was, I don't know. I was watching a bunch of different Shark Tanks, but basically the person was asked if they would give up their whole company for $1 million. And the person said, you know what, can I keep 5%? Because I want to make sure then we can keep the legacy alive and all that stuff. And Mark Cuban said, that's a great idea. That's called smuck insurance, because you don't want to look like a smuck if you end up giving up your whole company and ends up turning into a $100 million company. Because now if it turns into a $100 million company, you didn't only give it up for $1 million. You also now hold $5 million worth of value in that company. And as the company continues to grow, you'll be able to gain more and more out of it. So that's exactly what we want to do here, is to where we have that schmuck insurance, where I sell for my original investment and then keep the rest in there. And eventually, I will always, in every investment that I have, I will never sell 100% of it. I will always have that investment if I do believe in the future value of it. So Terra Luna Classic, I will have somewhere around a million, at least 500,000 for life. I'm never going to let go of that 500,000. And the reason being is because that is schmuck insurance. So yeah, that was a good term that I learned yesterday. You're always learning something new. Anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me there. Don't forget about my Patreon. Link is in the description. If you guys want to join there, get all this different educational content, buy alerts, because I did alert people that I bought this earlier this morning before I even released it on Twitter or released it on YouTube, and let people know when I actually buy it and when I actually sell something. I haven't sold anything in a while right now. So yeah, anyways, it's been 11 minutes. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.